so excited! Look what's arrived! It's my OnStage at home swag box. And we've got a note from Sarah, who is our CEO, which I will read later. This is my bag. So all logoed, nice pocket at the front, pocket at the back. And this is where it's going to be difficult doing it with one hand. So look at the inside, which tends to make me feel that we might get a stamp set that is all to do with ice lollies at some point. Pen. So OnStage 2020 pen. Let's have a look at that. And it's all multicoloured. I don't know whether it writes multicoloured. Probably does. Oops, you can't see that. I can. So yes, rainbow pen. Woo! So I'll be interested to see if that actually does write rainbowed. Then we've got some swap pins. So we've got the OnStage badge and then two others. And again, we've got this ice lolly. So these are trading pins, so we can put them on our lanyards for next time we actually meet people. And we can swap pins, so 3 of those. New stamp set, enjoy the moment, with all sorts of, they're sort of like dry seed heads. So good things are worth waiting for, a little note, enjoy the moment, friendship is found in simple things, and happy birthday. And it's red rubber, so that's always nice. Don't think there's anything else in here. It's huge. Let me just say it's huge. Let me have a look and see if I can open the zip, because sometimes there's something in there. No, normally it's lanyards and things, but obviously we don't need lanyards. Notebooks, November 2020 notebooks, and grid paper. Looks like there's a few sheets of grid paper in there, so that's good. And so very excited, can't wait. So this is one of the perks we get for being Stampin' Up! Demonstrators. Anyway, I will see you again soon. Bye bye.